If your website isn't engaging with your visitors on a daily basis, you are missing out on a huge opportunity. Did you know that it is possible, thanks to a new cutting-edge technology, to have your very own spokesperson set up on your website, ready to help your visitors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Now, a recent study showed that once a chatbot was installed on a popular website, it brought an 800% return on the investment. And that's not surprising at all, because when you have your very own interactive spokesperson that is ready to engage with your visitors, you are going to, number one, get their attention, and number two, start engaging with them. And most importantly, you move them closer to that precious sale. We are a professional marketing agency that specializes in helping businesses just like yours. We would love to produce a custom chat platform for your business, complete with either a human spokesperson model or even an animated person. Our advanced artificial intelligent chatbots are compelling, while at the same time affordable. Now, we are even able to create chatbots that will pop up on your website, such as the one that you are seeing right now. Contact us today to learn more about this very special opportunity. We look forward to hearing from you.